Hey, this is Leo. So we're going to take a look here at the technical analysis. Forgot to do it in the last video, so let's go ahead and dive right in here. So obviously, what I don't like is that we're below the 1 hour EMA, right? So we have the 200 EMA here, and we have the 55 EMA being the yellow. So we are below them again. That's what I don't like. But what I do like is that if we pull our computer algorithm from the low up to the high, you can see that we are at the golden zone where we know these computer algorithms are supposed to get engaged and begin buying. So for example, we went right to the 618 and prices have moved off. They're targeting the negative 236 up here, but now that doesn't necessarily mean that they get it, but you can obviously see the reactions that we're getting at the 50 and the 618. So they are engaging. We also have this trend line here from the pitchfork. So we have 1, 2, 3 tests. So on that third test, we're seeing a little bit of support, rejection, pushing higher. So what I would like to see is for us to move up from here. If we can get back above the 200 EMA, that'll start looking really good. I really wouldn't start worrying until if prices were to break down below the 1460 price range and continue lower. Because what we could be doing as far as the EMAs go is that we could just be ranging. So we could just be moving sideways and into a range until we get into that March 3rd date where transparency is supposed to go into effect, and we would hopefully see some more bullish price action taking place. That's really it as far as technical analysis goes. You know, I could get into a big Elliott wave count, but not something that I want to do. Elliott wave takes a lot of time to sit there and work out. So I'm just focused on the market geometry, price action, and looking at the volume profile for support and resistance areas. You can see volume drops off there at that 1460 price range. That's why I have it there. So there's not much price acceptance below here. But within this range here, you can see that there are areas of price acceptance. So for example, where we were up here, price was accepted, traded there quite a bit. You can see that over here on the left, and then you can see that represented on the volume profile. And then down here, once again, you can see how price was accepted within this price range, kind of hung out there a little bit here, and then we dipped down and touched it, and now we're moving higher just a little bit. So I think that is pretty much it as far as technical analysis goes. I'll talk to you all in the next one. Take care.